जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम friends, I hope आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. Today I'm going to share with you a small session and that how you can easily activate a Windows 10 without any software, any patcher or any loader or anything. Means mostly people they are using software use करते हैं और कुछ ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं अजीब अजीब सी. तो आज मैं आप लोगों से शेयर करता हूँ कि आप कैसे अपनी विंडोज़ को एक्टिवेट कर सकते हैं without any software. So it's a simple trick. So as you can see here, it's mentioning that activate Windows, go to the setting to activate window. और मैं आपको शो भी करवा देता हूँ कि क्या स्टेटस है अभी इस विंडो का. So guys, this is the Windows Core i7 processor. This is the MacBook Air. So that I'm using dual Windows in this MacBook Air. So this is 8 GB and the window is not activated. And just close this one. तो guys, simply आपने क्या करना है, so चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. एंड बिफोर आई स्टार्ट I must say that don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel स्मार्ट परदेसी व्लॉग. ऐसे अच्छे सेशन देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक कर दें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि मेरी नेक्स्ट जितनी भी आने वाली वीडियोज़ हैं उनके नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सकें. और इस तरह के सेशन भी मैं अपलोड करता हूँ रिलेटेड टू मोस्ट रिसेंट जॉब इन UAE एंड ऑल्सो इन द पाकिस्तान, डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, डिफरेंट सिटीज़ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम Karachi, Islamabad, or also in the UAE, different Emirates if there is a vacancy related to teaching or anything. And if you like the video, give up and subscribe my channel. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इंशाल्लाह. सबसे पहले आपने सिंपली क्या करना है, जस्ट ओपन द ब्राउज़र and in the address bar you can type BIT. I'll spell it for you so that you can easily understand. So it's a bit.ly/Windows 10 txt. So as you can see, this is the text file. It's appear in front of you. So you just copy all the data from here and make in the desktop there is you must create a text document. So once you paste here, be sure that you copy all the data from starting to end. So after that, and save as, mention the name activator.cmd. Click on the save button. As you can see, the file is appear here as an activator. Just close this one and simply open that one like this. So it will take some time to activate this one, and don't forget that your internet is connected because it's required. As you can see now, product is activated successfully. And would you like to visit my blog? So you will select and this will automatically close. This is the simple step, and this is the simple process, so you can do and easily you can activate your Windows 10 without any just do one step, that before you are doing this, just open your Windows Defender and turn off this virus and threat protection setting.
Virus?
Disable this one. After you done this one, you can go to this setting and you can easily, virus and threat protection, so you can turn on this one after that, once you have done this one. So now we can go to the setting and then we will see. Guys, here you can see the window is activated now, and they also remove the logo from here, so that's it means this window is now fully activated and you can use easily. Thank you so much for your time, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the new future notification. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. After that, if you want to delete, you can delete this file because it's not related to your work or anything like that.